fentanyl being found on our streets is not produced under a controlled environment, is not produced with proper equipment or proper care, nor is there any science behind it. In this instance, what we have is fentanyl that's being manufactured in a dirty, decrepit garage in one of our home in Forest Lawn. There's no quality control, there's no health and no safety standards in place when this was being, when the fentanyl was being manufactured. Plain and simple, this is about organized crime making money. And in doing so, they're playing with the lives of our vulnerable, addicted population, and at the same time, they're putting our community at risk.
Fentanyl has remained a top priority for Alert. To date, Alert seized roughly 60,000 fentanyl pills from across the province. This investigation marks the fourth fentanyl lab, the second in Calgary, that Alert has dismantled. Alert will continue to work with our partner agencies to target organized crime's role in fentanyl supply and distribution.
Fentanyl has and continues to be cause tremendous hurt and hardship in our community. In fact, I would say that it's probably not a reach that all Calgarians in some way or another have been impacted by this deadly drug. Whether it be suffering the loss of a friend or loved one from a fentanyl overdose, or having our cars broken into, our houses broken into in order to feed the addiction. Fentanyl, as with other drugs, impacts all of us.